Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. This video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN8. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Orlando Pirates wins via penalties. I'm joined by Babaga Hunter Limex.
I was sleeping, Steve. Thank you to wake me up, bro. You know what? Where I am, bro?
1 minute.
Where I am? Is this at the Reveal or Loftus? I'm lost.
Rico Paley.
But we lost. We lost the game. We are in pain.
You're in pain.
But we don't begazela. We know those people.
Kimako.
We are not these people, bruh.
The Sundowns.
We are the Sundowns.
Hey.
Don't begazela.
I wanna begazela.
I wanna begazela mo Sundowns.
You must leave.
Bruh, deliver whatever we want from you.
Which is the cups.
Bruh.
Cups fail.
But we failed these games on the last minute. Last week, bruh.
Same shit.
Poland, bruh. We were supposed to win this game on the first 45 minutes.
And it should be done.
Exactly.
Yeah.
By one person.
Man.
This is a skinny boy. Who's a skinny boy here? There's someone can come here if he's a skinny. Who's a skinny boy here? There's no one. Steve, you have some cabanyana there. This guy, Matthews, brother.
Yeah.
The guy can play. He did get the chance. He didn't finish him. Then we go back.
Yeah.
Cave.
Yeah.
We feel the cave because of Matthews. Club Cup, Matthews. Last week on the big games, a one person, but come on. I'm gonna move that guy one day. Yeah, we're gonna move that guy.
Straight.
On the big games, we need that guy. He didn't get the chance, but he didn't use it. Why I don't know?
I'm cruising nicely.
I'm cruising nicely. We'll solve that problem on Wednesday. This cruising problem.
You're gonna solve
I'm tired of hearing that thing.
You're tired of hearing
And I'm scared for them because we are very angry as we are here, number man.
Yeah.
Whoever's coming next is gonna get hiding. Is what I think.
Yeah. Heavy score. Heavy score.
Yeah. So please, pass up. I must echo what Bramex is saying.
Yes.
Matthews, how many chances must we give the
Before
boy?
he scores a goal.
He's a very good player.
Experienced player.
He's technically good.
Yes.
But when it comes down to it, at the end of the day, it's only goals that wins matches.
Yes.
Why aren't you scoring goals, bruh? And to the coach again. Why do you keep starting with this guy when it's showing you that he keeps failing?
Yeah.
And in my opinion,
Yeah.
every time Matthews and Sales comes on as a substitute,
Yes.
they shift the game, they change the game, they give us the result we're looking for when they came as substitutes.
Yeah.
Start with Shalulile, bro.
It's simple.
Start with Shal. What do you have against the guy? What do you have against the guy? You put him as a sub in the last game. He came in and scored a goal for you. What more do you want, bro?
From me.
What must he do to prove himself?
He's proven.
Oh, man.
He's proven.
Same player, bro. He didn't give you what he want. He didn't give me what he want last week, bro. On my case, he didn't give me what he want.
Wasn't someone who changed the game.
Coach Cardoso, please listen to me. Listen to me and very careful. What Sadule did to you, brother? Please tell me so that I can fix it, brother. Please, brother. I'm
So we can
begging
solve
you.
it.
Yeah, I can solve this for you, brother. Please,
Because
brother.
it's personal.
Brother,
It's personal.
It does seem that way.
What you want last week, brother?
And on my side, it's not to criticize anybody, it's not to break anybody down. At the end of the day, we understand that you're not always going to win.
Yeah.
We understand that it's just that as Sundowns, we're used to the culture of winning.
Yes.
So it becomes very painful when you are supposed to win. Look, when are you supposed to win if not in a semi-final? When are you supposed to win if not in the final? But at the same time, we understand that also there's maybe some things happening in the background that we are unaware of. Share it with us so we can try and help, bro.
Yes.
Share it with us so we can try and help.
Simple. Whatever is happening at the bank, bruh, that's not our problem. It's management problem. Yes. We solve our problem on the field, bruh. Management solve their problem there at the back. We don't want to see those problems on the field.
Coming to the field of play. It mustn't affect the field of play at the end of the day. It seems like there's now a problem in the change room. It seems that way.
A big problem.
It seems that way.
Big problem.
It seems that way because we're starting to lose in the instances where we are supposed to win. And maybe cruising nicely. I'm cruising nicely. I can't wait for Wednesday. Yeah, I can't wait for Wednesday. Come on. I hope I can stand next to him on Wednesday. After Wednesday. It's the only thing that gives us hope now, my man. Because it's painful where we are now. And he's not lying. He's not lying. He's cruising.
They are cruising, bro. They are cruising. These guys, they are cruising.
I am cruising nicely. Come on now.
I'm going to bring him up on Wednesday to solve that problem. Ciao.